the quieter side of Koh Samui is more your style, come along with us as we explore Fisherman's Village, from its peaceful daytime charm to the vibrant night market after sunset.
So we made it back to Fisherman's Village. We've been waiting for this for quite a long time, it seems, huh?
Yeah, this month pretty hot.
Yeah.
People still cloudy.
We're here this year in April, so it's the hottest month. We just enjoyed Songkran in Bangkok and in Pattaya. And so now we're going to spend 4 days here in Samui.
Yep.
And this is the relaxing part of our vacation.
Yeah.
We just want to show you a little bit of the walking street, which is going to come to an end at Coco Tam's, where we have a VIP seat for the fire show tonight.
Yay! I have a lot of fans.
Just realized, huh? No, let's go this way. We're staying at Enjoy Beach, a little hotel right next to the famous boat that everyone recognizes when they see Fisherman's Village. Last year we stayed here at the lodge, so we're trying something different.
Wow, but we know which one we like better.
Well, we have beachfront at Enjoy Beach, so we're excited to get out on that tomorrow.
Right.
The views are really good.
What time is it now?
It must be 6-ish.
6-ish? I thought the fire show gonna start at 7:15.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a few minutes to sit and relax, show you some of our cocktails, and we're getting close. We got beautiful, beautiful scenery out there tonight. We walked through here earlier this morning, and this street was empty. Not a single marketer. None of these things were set up. All the stores were closed. We have a friend with us who broke his foot, unfortunately, during Songkran. So we've had to make some special accommodations for him. And And that's part of why we have the VIP seating for tonight, so that he doesn't have to go down into the sand. And they're just ahead of us.
No lie down.
And here it is, the beautiful Coco Tams. Coco Tams, however you want to say it. Hello kids, we already have a seat. VIP right here in front of this bar.
Looking for rolex. Pate.
เอาเลย เอาเก้าอี้เข้าไป
You can buy here. You can buy here. No.
Well, as you can see, they have everything here. Those are pretty cool. And if you're into a musical instrument, they actually have those too.
show. Thank you for clap your hand again. ขอบคุณค่ะ If you like our show, please supporting us and give some tip for our dancer who walking around in your table, please.
Did you see anything you wanted? Not today. Sawadee krap.
Why second floor?
I don't know. You get a good view of the other side, I guess. We've yet to check out this place, but we're gonna have to hit it one of these nights. Okay. Mango sticky rice coming up. Here's one of our favorite places, the Emerald. This place gets a little crazy late at night. Quick stop at our hotel. Freshen up a little bit, and we're gonna go out again.